Hey guys, this is National Stock Trading Academy. My name is Dave and welcome to the weekly update of Nifty. So we are going to analyze Nifty for this week. So without wasting time, let's get started. So as discussed last time, we got a gap down and then we have a breakout of the structure, and then this is a move which Nifty is making. Now the scene for this week, I'm going to be very straightforward in this. The way this chart is looking like, there is still a potential for upside. This week or next week, you'll see a close above this high, the previous high. So, but the problem with that high now is there will be some people who will actually create new sell position, as well as there will be some people from here who will book some profit. So this market should react to that. Now the way this is reacting right now, this is giving you a signal for one upside at least. So if you are interested in that, that's your potential move. So that will be immediate direction on this one. Now the way this is looking like, this is not very impulsive for the upside. And if you pay attention on daily charts, we started getting a divergence, if you know what I mean with that. So every buy in this area should be very short term. So if you take a buy, book your profit and get out, right? Because if I give you a example of this current structure, you can look at this structure similar to this structure. So after that, you might expect something like this. So that, like, I'm more interested in if that comes some similar to that. But until then, right now you're standing somewhere here, right? So there is still a potential. If you want to execute, you can, but see if you can get this move this week. So I've given you exact picture of the pattern and the structure over there. Now it's your job to trade in that direction. So I hope this will help you to analyze your own charts as well as in your trading. So this was Nifty update for this week from National Stock Trading Academy. We are signing it off, and I'll see you soon, guys. Thank you so much.